Good morning, student. English class part 1. Today, starting English class, all class get by me. Every students from every every important share I with you. Please listen to in the last video. I have my first question. Every student from all of you from 0 to high level English all class get by me by MD sir. First of all, some question, my dear students from every student say me, MD sir, I cannot speak English, I cannot confidence English. What is problem? All students of is a common problem. First time and 2 year back I have go. Which time I have been cannot zero English, I cannot speak. Today I am automatically has been speaking. What is problem? This time I have been speaking English. Yes, I can speak English, and this is same problem for you. Then I have been think today I cannot speak English. That is right, and inside your confidence has been come. Yes, I can speak English. Definitely I can speak English. I promise you, you confidence inside. Yes, I can speak English. Definitely. If you want to English, Tamil, Bengali, Hindi, German, Japanese, Swedish, American English, British English, anybody language you can learn. If you are ready to work hard, world of everything is possible. But my dear friends, all students, it is same problem. MD sir, I cannot speak English. Inside confidence bringing, but inside confidence is not coming. That is right. 3 year back I have been practiced 1,000 times, but I cannot speak English. What is reason? Which time I have been think, yes, I can speak English. Yes, I can speak English. I am best friend of self. 1,000 times I have been practice, but this time result for you and fond of you. So English class part 1, all student is the most important suggestion I want to share all students from you. Hindi medium student, either English medium students, class 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, anybody class, and you are preparing any central government's exam, you are preparing board of state level exam, every students for all class, that is very important. My dear friends, this time you have been think about me. This master has been speaking English as wronging. Yes, this time I cannot speak English. I am not teacher of English subject. I have been practice only. Practice purpose this video has been making. Such I have been saying you. Some student has been saying me, you are speaking English. That is right. I am not teacher of the English subject. I am practice purpose video, so that you watch me and inside has been confidence and you can speak English. This purpose has been making this video. I have been suggestion number 1. I cannot speak English. Okay? Come to the point. I have my first question. I cannot speak English. World of every student of the problem, and India is a national, and India is the mother tongue language as in Hindi. But Indian person, which some student has been come Hindi backgrounds, but English English cannot speak. That is right. English speaking before environment, that is very important. My dear friends, I cannot speak English. I have my first question. First of all, you cannot speak English. What is problem? Which you have to stop. Who is he? Who is identify inside before? After proceed. Before English definitely you can speak English. Sorry. Definitely confidence inside has been speak English. Yes, I can say MD sir, you cannot speak English. I have been saying. Yes, you can speak English. You are good and must and best, and you are very most intelligent students. Seriously, I have been saying. English is speaking during thousand time mistake. Don't worry. Continue proceed. Thousand time mistake. Don't worry. Continue proceed. Definitely one day speak English. Some student I have been saying me, कि MD sir I cannot speak English. That is right. Then I have been saying. First of all, English. Who is a student? Who can speak English? Students. Important information I share you. Let's start. English is speaking for don't before learn grammar. Grammar learning during thousand time mistake. Don't worry. Before English is speaking before practice thousand time mistake. After proceed, definitely one day you can speak English. Seriously, I have been saying right. Inside I have been speaking English. MD sir continue. Ratantu English has been speaking. That is not right. Inside confidence automatically has been speaking. Seriously. So some student comment have been say, MD bhai, you are speaking English. Then I want. Absolutely, your question that is right. This time I have been teaching. I cannot speaking English, but I have been practice for this video. I have been making so that you can watch me inside confidence has been come. You can speak English. That is my purpose of this video. This video is not class. This video is not class. Okay. Only for practice. What is you can see? Look the board. So first question I want to explain. I cannot speak English. That is right. Let's start. You cannot speak English. Don't worry. You can speak Hindi. You are 0%. You cannot speak English. Don't worry. Before practice, be practice. Practice is the main perfect. Practice. Practice is everything. So, reading, writing, listening, speaking, word meaning, that is very important, my dear friends. So, for information, I share you. Okay. Some student has been came from Hindi background. That is right. Hindi background student, my class only 10 day watch. After automatically you can speak English. It is my promise of the MD sir. MD Academy classes from Bhagalpur district inside block Pirpaiti. Mobile numbers 6207543904. You can contact me. So, English class part 1 today has been starting. This video has been uploaded on my YouTube channel. Okay. This video will be uploaded YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Please support all of you. Okay. Thank you so much.